Exercise 1.2, first question, let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 7 and B is equal to set of 3, 0, minus 1, 7. Which of the following are relation from A to B? So first question, they have defined R1 to be set of 2, 1 and 7, 1. To check whether it is a relation or not, first see the first element of it. It's 2. See whether 2 belongs to the set A. It belongs to set A. And check for element 7. Does it belongs to set A? Yes. Then check for the next element, that is 1. But 1 does not belongs to set B. We have minus 1 there. So this R1 is not a relation. It is not a relation because 1 does not belongs to B. So R2 is a relation which is defined by the set of minus 1, 1. So here minus 1 it doesn't belongs to A and 1 also it doesn't belongs to B. So R2 is not a relation. So minus 1 doesn't belongs to A and 1 doesn't belongs to B. So look at R3, it is defined by set of 2, minus 1, 7, 7 and 1, 3. If you see here, 2, 7 and 1 belongs to set A and minus 1, 7 and 3 belongs to set B. So therefore, it is a relation. R4 is equal to set of 7, minus 1, 0, 3, 3, 3 and 0, 7. So here the first element are 7, 0, 3 and 0. Clearly we can say that 0 does not belongs to A. So therefore R4 it is not a relation. Second question, let A is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 45 and R be the relation defined as is square of on A. Write R as a subset of A cross A. Also find the domain and range of R. So first we will write what is given. So we know the value of set A, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 45. So here they have defined the relation as is square of. So we'll write the value of R. So for 1, the relation is 1 square. So that is 1. And for 2, the relation is 2 square. That is 4. And for 3, the relation is 3 square. 9. So 4, 16. And for 5, it is 25. And for 6, it's 36. And for 7 it's 49, but we can't write 7, 49 because here the A value lies between 1 to 45. It should not go beyond 45. So we'll stop here. So the question they have asked us is to write the relation and also we need to find the domain and the range. So we have written the relation, now we will write our domain. So domain of R is equal to the first element, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, range of R. So the range of R is nothing but the second element, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Third question, a relation R is given by the set x, y such that y is equal to x plus 3 and x belongs to the set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we will write the values of x and y. X they are given as set of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y they have not given directly, and they have defined y to be x plus 3. So y is equal to, here x value is 0, so 0 plus 3, 3, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, here you have 2, so 2 plus 3, 5, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 3, 7, 5 plus 3, 8. So this is your y value. So after finding x and y, write the relation R. So take the first element of x, that is 0, and the first element of y, that is 3. Next, the second element of x and second element of y. You will get 1, 4. Next will be third element of x and third element of y, that is 2, 5. Next is fourth element of x and fourth element of y. We'll get 3, 6. So next will be 4, 7, and then 5, 8. So this is your relation R. So after finding the relation, we need to determine the domain and also range. So domain is nothing but whatever elements you have written first in a relation is your domain. So domain of R is equal to, open the flower bracket, and the first element are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So next you have range of R. So range of R is nothing but the second element. So that will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is your range.